Hello learners, welcome to our today's mathematics lesson. We are on unit known as mass, and we continue from where we stopped last time. In our last lesson we said that there are three main ways or units that we use in measuring mass. Number one is grams, number two kilograms, and tons. In our last lesson, we saw how to convert from kilograms to grams and also from grams to kilograms. Today we want to focus our attention on tons. Tons. The topic, the lesson, the unit is mass, and we want to learn more about tons. Tons. The short form of tons is a small t. Small t. And tons is a unit of measure that we use when measuring heavy objects. Like if you want to measure the mass of a lorry, you will use tons. If you want to measure a trailer full of bags, you will use tons. You will not use grams. Grams are used to measure light objects like this one. So learners, tons is used to measure large heavy objects. And learners, 1,000 kilograms make 1 ton. It's equal to 1 ton. 1,000 kilograms is equal to 1 ton. In this lesson, we want to learn how to convert kilograms to tons. Kilograms to tons. So that is what we want to do in this lesson. Convert from kilograms to tons. How do you convert from kilograms to tons? Now I want us to do some exercises or examples. We'll have some examples. Express each of the following in tons. Examples, we'll do examples. Express each of the following in tons. So I'm going to give kilograms here. Number one is 15,000 kilograms. Number two, 27,500 kilograms. Number three, 7,392 kilograms. Number four, we are going to do these examples together. Number four, 29,032 kilograms. Number five, 3,694 kilograms. Then number six, 64,082 kilograms. So we want to convert these kilograms into tons. Kilograms to tons. These are kilograms. All these are kilograms. How do you convert these kilograms to tons? Learners, we have seen that 1,000 kilograms is equal to 1 ton. 1 ton. So we are going to use this statement. It's a very important statement. And I hope you are writing down, learners. Make sure you write these notes down, very important notes. Make sure you write this statement. 1000 kilograms is equal to 1 ton. So let us do these exercises. Answers. These are questions. Let us answer the questions. Number 1, express 15,000 kilograms into tons. We know that 1,000 kilograms is equal to 1 ton. 1 ton. Therefore 15,000 kilograms will be equal to 15,000 kilograms over 1,000 kilograms times 1 ton times 1 ton. So this kg cancels out with this kg. These 3 zeros cancels out with these 3 zeros. Then the answer will be 15 times 1 ton, which is equal to 15 tons. 15 tons. That is question 1. Number 2, 27,500 kilograms. We need to convert that into tons. We use the same statement here. 1,000 kilograms is equal to 1 ton. Therefore, 27,500 kilograms will be equal to 27,500 kilograms divided by 1,000 kilograms times 1 ton. So this kg cancels out with this kg. Then we have 27,500 divided by 1,000. We'll have this decimal point, move it 1, 2, 3. So the decimal point comes there. So the answer will be 27.5 tons. 27.5 tons. That is number 2. Number 2. Let us do question 3. 7,392 kilograms. We need to convert into tons. 1,000 kilograms equal to 1 ton. Therefore 7,392 kilograms will be equal to 7,392 kilograms. This is kilograms divided by 1,000 kilograms times 1 t. So we have 7392. Move the decimal 1, 2, 3. So the answer here is 7.392 tons. This is tons. This is tons. This will cancel out with this. Then we have tons. That is question 3. Question 3. Can we move on, learners, to question 4? Yes, let's do question 4 here. Question 4. Question 4. Question 4. 29,032 kilograms converted into tons. We have 1,000 kgs is equal to 1 ton. Equal to 1 ton. Therefore, 29,032 kilograms will be equal to 29,032 kilograms over 1,000 kilograms times 1 t. Times 1 t. So this will cancel with this. So we have 29 and 32. Take it 3 times back. 1, 2, 3. So the answer here is 29.032 tons. 032 tons. That is question 4. Question 5. 3,694 kilograms converted into tons. We have the statement 1,000 kilograms is equal to 1 ton. Therefore, 3,694 kilograms will be equal to 3,694 kilograms divided by 1,000 times 1t. So we have 3694. 3694, take it back, 1, 2, 3. So the answer here is 3 point, there's a point there, 0.694 tons, 94 tons. Then lastly, learners, number 6, 64,082 kilograms. Converted into tons, we have 1,000 kilograms is equal to 1 ton. Therefore, 64,082 kilograms will be equal to, that will be equal to 64,082 kilograms divided by 1,000 kilograms times 1t. This will cancel with this. Then we have here 64,082. The decimal point is here. Move it how many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So the answer here is 64.082 tons. 0.2 tons. So that is the answer. Learners, that is how to convert kilograms to tons. What you need to know, what is very important, is this statement. You need to know that 1,000 kilograms is equal to 1 ton. So if you've been given kilograms to convert into tons, you will use this statement. You first say 1,000 kilograms is equal to 1 ton. Therefore, 15,000 kilograms will be equal to, you get the reciprocal here, you just change this, take 15 up, bring the 1,000 down, then multiply by 1t. That gives you the answer. Like this one, learners, this is correct, correct. This statement is correct. This answer is correct. This working is correct. That is the answer. This one again is correct. This answer is correct. This is correct. This is correct. This one is correct. This is correct. So this is gotten what percent? If I've gotten everything, what will be the percent? The percent will be 100%. If you get everything, you get 100%. And that is what we are praying for you. We would want you to be getting 100%. When you do mathematics exam, you should score all the marks. Score all the marks, and that is only possible if you do practice, if you take notes when we are teaching, when you ask questions, when we give exercises, you do the exercises, and that is why at the end of every lesson, we give exercises. We give exercise. So learners, I'm going to send you to your book. This is your book. Today's exercise is taken from Primary Mathematics, Book 6. And I want you to go and do exercise. This is exercise 116. Exercise 116, question 1 to question 6. Go and do question 1 to question 6. Question 1 to question 6. These are just 6 questions. 6 questions. In our lesson today, we also did 6. So go and do 6. When we meet next time, we continue to learn more about mass. Thank you and God bless you.